What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. Today Nero got a special delivery. As you saw in the title, we have now received the new ESR CS 15, and we are stoked, we're excited, and they look so freaking good. Just look at this.
I see you.
Who's that?
Princess.
Your princess. ESR performance wheels. Take this beauty. Woo! Just look at these fucking wheels. Look at that detail. Look at that detail. Are the 18 by 9.5 inch wheels with a 2.5 inch lip.
Plus 35 offset.
Plus a 35 offset. I'll link these on the description below so you guys can see them, check them out, and possibly quote them for your car. We're going to get these bad boys installed. We already bought some some tires, and they are the Hancocks Ventus S1 Noble 2, and I believe these are two 55/35 18s. So check out the fitment right now.
Garbage.
Look at that. You can't even see anything. The tire is tucked in. So back wheels. Just check out the fitment right now before we even install these bad boys. And he just received his STI wing. He's gonna go back there as well. Both these bad boys in his car. Hopefully they fit. And we'll see how it goes. We're gonna probably go to his work where they're gonna be able to install these fast. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Pick up the phone.
We have everything loaded up here. We have 3 wheels in here and 1 in the trunk. We are ready to head out. Have our masks. Does she have her mask?
I have it right here in my pocket.
Beauty. We're ready to roll. Leave a thumbs up for that freaking cinematic shoot. I'm gonna make another one once the car is ready, once the car has the wheels and tires on. So stay tuned for that. We're heading over to the shop so we can install these wheels and tires on this WRX. So leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. And let's get it.
Pick up the phone.
Last time we're seeing this car as it is.
The old nuts, can you put them in
Pick up the phone.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi, camera.
Pick up the phone.
Oh, you gotta rub! Have to roll a fender. Yeah, it's gotta settle a little bit.
Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.
No? I might read the back of it. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna read the back. Yeah, so let's go.
Pick up the phone.
I'm gonna get it up on this one, Cam. Manny! Manny! Yeah, no,
It's nice to breathe without a mask. Beautiful. It's ready. We're in the car now with the new setup. The setup and the fitment is freaking out of this world, bro. But that back, the rear, seems to be a little bit too close. So we're gonna find out if it scrapes or not, or if it rubs at all with the fender. So stay tuned for that. It will let you know. And of course, as always, I'm gonna have a quick cinematic shoot of the new wheels and how it sits for now. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I am filming it. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Just to let you guys know, this road right here is extremely bumpy. So we're putting the tires to the test right in the rear. We'll see how it goes, guys.
I hit this one right here. Oh, nothing! Oh my god!
You passed it.
Right here's where it gets ugly, you know.
Haven't heard anything. No, it was like it was a big bump.
Oh.
What?
Is that a cup?
No, like there's no scraping.
I know.
That's kind of cracked.
Right here, when we get to about the turn, there's one good one.
Hey, the 4-year-old. It's chilling.
Nothing. Right here, when you go into the left lane, there's a good one. Nothing. I think we're good, right? Mud flap. Oh, some of these smells good.
Wing daddies?
Probably. Sí, huele de pollito. Pollito con papa.
No freaking rubbing.
Chick-fil-A delivers? My fucking god.
needs it ASAP.
Oh.
Leave it?
He's tired.
I'm tired, Needy.
You want to take off money? Are they on the way?
Yeah, she's coming. And we are back. Tell him, Meaty. Tell him.
Say, guess who's back?
Tell him. Look, that's you right there. We are back and better than ever.
Hella better.
No rubbing, which is extremely surprising to me because it seems like they're rubbing hard, as you can see there, but I don't know what it is. It's perfect. Wait, guys, this is probably where I'm gonna end it today. If you enjoyed the
Miri, what's going on, girlfriend?
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one and for that 5,000 subscriber giveaway, guys. It's going to be insane. Don't forget to look out for my merch. I have my Primo Dreamy merch down in the comments. Down in the description below, so you guys can check out my merch. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my merch. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Did I already say? Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you. So, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And this is probably where I'm going to end it, guys. Hold on, or stay tuned for this cinematic shoot that I'm going to do right now. Until next time, peace out.